Hello people, today we'll be looking at uploading a quiz in MS Teams which is linked to the form or the quiz that we have created in the previous video. So you just select the team that you wanted to add on. So for example, I have a team that I wanted to add on. Let me edit the logo of the team. You see the logo of the team getting changed, and okay, so we go to assignments on the top tab, assignments, and in assignments you create an assignment and you click on quiz because you're asking the students to fill a quiz. Now the advantage of giving a quiz instead of giving a link, advantage of giving a quiz in the assignments is you can restrict the users who can write the quiz. So we have created only one quiz called sample question paper in our MS Forms. If you look our MS Forms, in my forms there's only one thing called sample question paper and it is reflected here. If you want, I'll change the name to sample question paper ARC121 sample question paper, and yeah, and I minimize this, and if I cancel, create again and then click the quiz, you can see ARC121. So you're clicking that and you're going next, which means you're not using the original quiz file, but instead it is creating a duplicate of it so that the original file's data is never lost. This is the major advantage of using an MS quiz over Google form, although the Google form is more flexible and has more options and is also more user friendly. But MS form is simple and light to create once we get used to it. So I've given sample question paper 2nd September, and then in the instructions we can clearly give please fill all the questions and check the points for the questions. Okay, and essay question must be written in an A4 and be uploaded as PDF A4, then should be scanned using an appropriate app like a Cam Scanner or Adobe Scan, and then be uploaded as PDF into the same quiz. Now here we have already selected the sample quiz question paper here, and then we are going to assign it to these students, and they say, for example, there are 3 students in the class and we are going to give it only for student 1, student 2. Only 2 students will have a right to do this assignment, and for 3rd student it will not be shown. So that's how you restrict who write the exam, and you set up a date, that's a due date, and assignments will post immediately with late turn-in allowed. You can edit this. You can schedule this assignment in future. So you're posting this assignment now. If they come and see you, they don't see the assignment. Only on 2nd September, if there is exam on 2nd September, only on 2nd September they'll come and they'll be able to see it. Only at whenever the exam time is 10 AM or 11 AM. Till then it will not be visible. And then the due date is the date where after this date it will be shown as a late submissions, but we are giving a close date, which means you will not be able to enter this quiz after this date. So we are not giving a due date, so we keep the due date as the same September 2nd. We give an hour time and then we'll close this at 12 o'clock or even 11:30, and we give the close date to be the same. You untick it and tick it so that it copies the date from due date. So late turn-ins is not allowed because you've given a close date. So after doing this, and you can save it to the draft, but if you really want to assign it, you can go to the drafts and you can schedule it. Once you schedule it, you cannot change, you cannot edit whom it is assigned to. Now we'll click 2 people, it's assigned to 2 students. You are scheduling it. And yeah, you can see it in schedule list. I'm removing the others. You can also delete the assignment if you feel something is wrong. So these are my past assignments that I have assigned as a sample. I'm deleting them, and you only see one assignment here that is being scheduled. Once you click on it, you can able to edit the title, you can able to edit the instructions, and you can add file name should be registered number underscore subject code, no spaces, and .pdf. You can actually, and then save the instructions, but you cannot change this thing because once it's given, so you cannot change whom it's assigned to. And but you can change the dates. You can always change the dates, and you can change the channel it is posted to, and you can give update. So that's how you schedule a quiz in MS Teams. Thank you. Thanks a lot.